Are you ever inspired to upcycle your vintage finds? For me, this piece was love at first sight.
Color outside the lines.
For this project, you're going to need some of these bobbin mates. These keep your bobbins and your threads together. I'll show you how to use those later. Of course, you're going to need some bobbins, some thread, and last but not least, you're going to need some washers. This is so simple. You're going to take one of these bobbin mates, you're going to insert this shorter end into the end of your thread here. Now you're going to take your bobbin with the thread, and I also have these really cool thread holders on here. Keeps it from unwinding, so you just pop it right on. And then lastly, you're going to insert your bobbin right on there. That keeps everything together. So you've got your thread, your matching bobbin to your thread spool. Now you're going to take your washer. Let's move this a little closer. You're going to insert it into one of the holes, and then you're going to take the washer and just pop it onto the back. And that's what's going to hold it on. So as you can see underneath, the washer just sits flush and holds everything together. So whenever you need to sew with this particular thread, you just pop it off. You're going to put this part in your sewing machine, you're going to thread this part on top, and away you go. So I'm going to get going with assembling all my threads and bobbins together, and it's as simple as that. The easiest 5-minute project ever. Now the other thing you can do if you don't have washers is just to double up your bobbins. So if you have spare bobbins, just pop that underneath. Let's try it here. And there, that holds it much better. And again, there's the bobbin. Just pop it underneath and squeeze them together. So there's a washer. Let's replace it with a bobbin. That seems to hold them tighter. As I'm putting these things together, here's a little secret you may not know about some of these spools. Did you know there's a hidden compartment in some of them? You can open it up, take a needle, just insert it on the side here, and then you just pop it back together. And there you go. You've got a needle hidden in your compartment, so you can just pop this in your purse and take it with you whenever you travel. Isn't that a great idea? There it is so far. Let's get a few more threads. You could even combine it on a base so that you've got a thread stand and it can do double duty. So this can sit right beside your sewing machine, and you can use a cone of thread for those times when you're serging and want a matching thread at the sewing machine. Now, of course, these things screw down, but if you want to switch up your decor, you can go right ahead. The sky's the limit. For instance, if you're a crocheter, swap it out for this awesome shoe form. Or add this metal sculpture of a sewer at a sewing machine. So cute. For more upcycle ideas, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for upcoming projects. Resist the urge to run and make this project and go check out another video.